Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today we finna try these onion whatever it's called, because we just finna put a whole bunch of shit on it and just taste it. I seen them doing this on TikTok, so we gotta just try it, okay? So let's get to it.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
First of all, we got our onions. We just got one purple onion, y'all, and I'll cut some small pieces because I ain't want this to go to waste. So we just got 2 little slices because I ain't wasting my onions if this nasty. So we just gonna pour a little olive oil on it. Okay, and I have a little dill I'm gonna put on here. Yeah, I can't get it off my fingers. I rolled it out. If y'all know what it mean when I say rolled it out, I'm gonna show y'all this little clip right here. This is how I do it. I call it activating it. The dill. Okay. Now we finna just put some capers. Just a few of these. Oh my gosh, they won't come off the spoon. Okay. Like I said, a few, and I'm steady putting some on here. All right, what else? Some balsamic vinegar. Y'all, this stuff is thick, so be careful with that. A little salt. A little pepper. And I got these little snack cheeses. I thought this was so cute, but I'm gonna put some of this Parmesan on it. Then we just gonna squeeze a little lemon. Okay. All right. It broke. Okay.
I was gonna do the same thing. Oh, you got to get it up like that?
I guess. How is she gonna do it? Come on. It's not that bad.
Ain't that bad.
It's not that bad.
That ain't bad. I thought it was gonna be boiled.
The onion kind of strong.
At the end.
Yeah. You need more lemon on it. More lemon and more balsamic on it.
Yeah, because at the end, that soup is strong.
Mm-hmm.
You want to try it?
It's okay, y'all. I ain't gonna be just sitting here eating this and making this.
Get smaller and smaller.
Let me see how it tastes with some more vinegar on it. Vinegar sit on there. Ooh. Maybe I put too much. This onion strong at the end though.
It's different. It ain't bad at all.
It's alright. It's not gonna not sit here and be eating though.
That little last piece hit though, like crazy.
Y'all have it though. The onion strong at the end. If y'all want to try it, everything gonna be linked below. So just go in there and see everything. I might finish this. I don't know.
Hit that subscribe button.